Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Now, Link is currently probably working on this internal wave 4. It could be finished at any point. The idea is that we should see one more high, even here on the micro level. I only want to focus on the micro level in this video, or the microstructures, because nothing has changed on the larger time frame. The idea is that we are in an uptrend. The idea is that we should see further upside over the coming weeks and months. I mentioned to you before that Link is probably one of the best or the clearest charts I am dealing with here. It's really following it well. Also the microstructure, and on the larger time frame we had a really good setup in the previous months when the price bottomed in that larger yellow support area that we discussed on the daily time frame all the time. Now the price is probably in the midst of a third wave rally, also called the heart of a third wave rally or of a third wave. And within this third wave, we have certain microstructures. I always say, it's best to just focus on levels in these third waves, because yes, I give you a micro count, but just for example, because upper micro support breaks, people then sometimes get stopped out completely, right? And they panic, even though the third wave is still rolling, yeah? So please note that the key support below which I would assume that this is not the case anymore, that support is at $17.65. It is the 50% retracement of that rally that started in November, right? Any break below that would likely mean that this upside rally, this impulse, is failing. However, if that level fails at $25, it's only a signal that circle wave 4 has likely started. It's not a signal that the larger rally is over. Okay, it's very important to understand that difference. This actually looks like a small bullish flag that's forming there. And could it be over? Absolutely. I mean, again, I'm just saying that below $25 we have a signal that a top is in. Until then, of course, extensions possible. Could turn into a triangle. Some people suggest that this might be a triangle, but it's a triangle. Then it could be one actually. You could argue the third wave finished here, but then we get into micro counting. Don't really like that so much here, but it's possible. We can say A, B, C, D, E, go up. It's possible. I guess there are other interpretations that make sense as well, like an ABC, just a normal ABC. If the wave 5 happens, which I'd like to see, it's not needed though, but it kind of makes sense in this sort of bull flag or bullish pennant style pattern. 33 is the next upside level to watch. Then even 38, 36. Again, I'm not expecting necessarily to get there in wave 5 of circle wave 3, but in the later stages. But even if it does, I mean, all we do is we move up support. We had a member live stream today during which we talked about how to trade a third wave. Oh, come on, 1 second. How to first of all trade a third wave, how to approach it with the right mindset, how to get into a third wave rally, and how not to exit too early, right? So if you're interested, check it out. The recording is still available. But yeah, that all comes into play, right? To understand, okay, even this fifth wave could be an extension. If it is, all we need to do is to move up support and understand that it's still relevant, even if we go higher, higher, higher. At some point, it might break, or it will break at some point, but then that's the signal that circle wave 4 starts. But then also at the same time, the lower support area will gradually move higher with the price. So everything going according to plan on the Link chart at the moment. I keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.